Good morning. I am Yash Shankar, lecturer in zoology, Government Degree College, Bhimgal, Nizamabad district, Telangana state. Today, my topic is on muscles. First one is muscle introductions, types of muscles, cardiac muscles, and vesicular muscles, smooth muscles, skeletal muscles, composition of skeletal muscles, myosin and actins, sliding filament theory of muscles contractions, blocking of myosins, head releasing of calcium on active crossbridge formation. Today, my topics is on muscles. First one is introduction. The muscular system is an organ system involved majorly in the movement of the body. There are about 700 muscles that are concentrated the bones of the skeletal system, which roughly half make up to human's body weight. Every muscle is a different organ made of skeletal muscle, tissue, blood vessels, nerves, and tendons. Every muscle is a different organ made of skeletal muscle, tissue, blood vessels, nerves, and tendons. Muscle tissue are found in the heart. Muscle tissue are found in the heart, blood vessels, and internal organs, contractility, stability, and elasticity. The muscle tissue are found in the heart, blood vessels, and internal organs, contract, contractility, and extensibility, and elasticity. Type of muscles based on structure, based on speed, concentration, contraction, based on color. Skeletal muscle, fast muscles, it is reddish color, red color. Cardiac muscles, slow muscles, white muscles. Smooth muscles, skeletal muscles, fast muscles, red color muscle. Cardiac muscle, slow muscle, and white muscles, smooth muscles. Based on structure, skeletal muscle, smooth muscles, cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. This muscles is present by only in heart and responsible for supplying blood all over the body. This muscle is present only a heart and responsible for supplying blood all over the body. It is also an involuntary muscle since it cannot be controlled. When brain signals adapt to the rate of contraction, cardiac muscles stimulates by itself to contract. It is also an involuntary muscles since it cannot be controlled controlled by when brain signals adapt to the rate of contractions. Cardiac muscles stimulates by itself to the contract. Cardiac muscles stimulates by itself to contract. The cardiac muscles cells are straight. The cardiac muscles cells are straight, which reveals that they seem to have and light strips when seen under a microscope. The cardiac muscles cells are straight, which reveals that they seem to have and light strips when seen under a microscope. The protein fibers arrangement within the cells. The protein fibers arrangement within the cells responsible for these dark and light strips. Responsible for these dark and light strips. The protein fibers arrangement within the cells is responsible for these dark and light strips. Cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles is striated muscles that is present only in the heart. Cardiac muscles is striated muscles that is present only in the heart. Cardiac muscles fiber have a single nucleus or branched. Single nucleus are branched and joined to one another by intracalated discs. The cardiac muscles have striated muscles that is present only in the heart. Cardiac muscles fibers are fibers have a single nucleus or branched by intracalated disc. Vascular or smooth muscles. Vascular or smooth muscles. These muscles are found in the organs. These muscles are found in the organs like intestines, blood vessels, and stomach. It is the weakest of all muscles tissue and make organs contract to move substance through the organ. It is the weakest of all muscles tissue and make organs contract to move substance through the organ. It is said to be involuntary muscles because it cannot be directly controlled by the conscious mind but controlled by the unconscious part of the brain. It is said to be involuntary muscles because it cannot be directly controlled by the conscious mind but controlled by the unconscious part of the brain. It is also known as smooth muscles since it has a very smooth. It is also known as a smooth muscles since it has a very smooth uniform appearance when viewed under the microscope. It is also now has smooth muscles since it has a very smooth uniform appearance when viewed under the microscope. Smooth muscles tissue, smooth muscles fibers and nucleus cells. Smooth muscles is involuntary muscles that shows no cross strips under microscopic magnification. It consists of narrow spindle shaped cells with a single centrally located nucleus. With a single centrally located nucleus, smooth muscles tissue, unlike striated muscles, contract slowly and automatically. Smooth muscles tissue, unlike striated muscles, contract slowly and automatically. Skeletal muscle. It is the only voluntary muscles tissue that can be controlled in conscious condition. Every physical action that a human does, walking and writing, needs skeletal muscles. The skeletal muscles is responsible for moving the body part that are connected to bone. The skeletal muscle is responsible for moving the body part of the connected to bone. Skeletal muscles from many ancestors cells lump themselves together to produce a straight long fiber. Skeletal muscle from many ancestor cells lump themselves together to produce a straight longer fiber. These skeletal muscles are strong just like cardiac muscles. These skeletal muscles are strong just like cardiac muscles. The name is derived from the fact that these are connected to the skeleton in at least one region. The name is derived from the fact that these are connected to skeleton in at least one region. Skeletal muscle tissue, muscle fiber cells, nucleus striation. That thus these muscles are under conscious or voluntary control. The basic unit is the muscle fiber with many nuclei. These muscles are under conscious or voluntary control. The basic unit is the muscle fibers with many nuclei. These muscle fibers are straight, having transverse tracks, and each act independently of neighboring muscle fibers. These muscle fibers are straight, having transverse streaks, and each acts independently of neighboring muscle fiber. Fast with muscle fiber, slow twitch muscle fiber. A muscle fiber that contract relatively rapidly, utilized especially in action requiring a maximum effort of short duration, such as sprinting. Slow switching muscle fiber. A muscle fiber that contracts relatively slowly and is resistant to fatigue. Fast twitch muscle fibers, also called type 2 muscle fiber, also called fast muscle fibers in slow twitch muscle fibers. Fast twitch muscle fiber contract fast. Slow twitch muscle fiber contract slowly. Fastest twitch muscle fiber have relatively poor blood supply. Slow twitch muscle fiber have a good blood supply. These differentiations based on color. Red muscle fiber slow twitch. White muscle fiber fast twitch. Composed muscles are for static work. Red muscles fiber. White muscles fibers compose muscles for dynamic work. Dynamic work. White muscles fiber fast twitch. Red muscles fiber and white muscles fibers. Red muscles fiber. There are dark red muscles fiber due to the response of abundant myoglobin in them. There are dark red muscles fibers due to the response of abundant myoglobin in them. White muscles fibers. There are place or whitish as they have less myoglobin. They are pale or whitish as they have less myoglobin. Red muscles fibers. Mitochondria are more in number but they have less sarcoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria are more in number but they have less sarcoplasmic reticulum. White muscle fibers. Mitochondria are few in number but amount of sarcoplasmic reticulum is high. Mitochondria are few in number but amount of sarcoplasmic reticulum is high. Red muscle fibers. They depended on aerobic forces for energy. They depended on aerobic forces for energy. They depended on anaerobic process for energy. They depended on anaerobic process for energy. Red muscle fibers. They have slow rate of contraction for long periods. They have slow rate of contraction for long periods. They have fast rate of contraction for short periods. They have fast rate of contraction for short period in white muscles. Red muscles. Extensor muscles of the human back. Red muscles examples. White muscles examples. Highball muscles. Highball muscles. Red muscles fibers and white muscles fibers. Ultra structure of skeletal muscles. Muscles fasciculae, epimysium, perimysium, endomysium, nerve axon branch, sarcoplasmic reticulum, muscle cells nuclei, capillae, motor and plates, neuromuscular junctions, sarcomere. The skeletal muscles is also called voluntary muscles in vertebrates. Skeletal muscles also called voluntary muscles is in vertebrates. Skeletal muscles are attached to bones by tendons. Skeletal muscles are attached to bones by tendons and they produced all the movements of body part in relation to each other. Skeletal muscles are attached to bones by tendons and they produce all the movement of the body parts in the reaction to each others. Skeletal muscle is under voluntary control. Skeletal muscle is under voluntary control. Skeletal muscle is straight, it's long. Then multinucleated fibers are crossed with a regular patterns of fine red and white lines, giving the muscles a distinctive appearance. The skeletal muscles is under voluntary control. Skeletal muscles is straight, it's long, then multinucleated fibers are crossed with a regular patterns of fine red and white lines, giving the muscles a distinctive appearance. Skeletal muscles fibers are bound together by connective tissue. Skeletal muscles fibers are bound together by connective tissue and communicate with nerves and blood vessels. Communicate with nerves and blood vessels. Ghrelin and actin and myosin. Sarcomere. Muscles fiber, muscle cells. The skeletal muscles fiber are bound together by connective tissue and communicate with nerves and blood vessels. Composition of skeletal muscles. That is one sarcolemma and mitochondria and nucleus and myofibrils and terminal cisterna, tried tubules and sarcoplasmic reticulum. Composition of skeletal muscles. A muscle cell is very specialized for its purpose. A muscle cell is very specialized for its purpose. A single cell from one muscle fiber and its cell surface membrane is known as the sarcolemma. A muscle cell is very specialized for its purpose. A single cell forms one muscle fiber and its cell's surface membrane is known as the sarcolemma. T-tubulars are unique to muscle cells. These are innervations of the sarcolemma that conduct to charge when the cells is depolarized. Tubules are unique to muscle cells. These are invaginations of the sarcolemma that conduct charge with the cells is depolarized. Muscle cells also have a specialized endoplasmic reticulum. This is known as the sarcoplasmic reticulum and contains a large store of calcium ion. The sarcoplasmic reticulum and contains a largest store of calcium ion. Muscle cells also have a specialized endoplasmic reticulum. This is known as sarcoplasmic reticulum and contains a largest store of calcium ion. Muscle cells have a intact support structure of connective tissue. Muscles also have a intact support structure of connective tissue. Each muscle fiber is surrounded by a thin layer of connective tissue known as endomysium. Each muscle fibers is surrounded by a thin layer of connective tissue known as endomysium. These fibers are then grouped into bundles, now say fascicles, which are surrounded by a layer of connective tissue known as perimysium. These fibers are then grouped into bundles now as fasciculae, which are surrounded by a layer of connective tissue now as perimysium. Many fascicles may make up a muscles, which in turn is surrounded by thick layer of connective tissue known as the epimysium. Many fascicles make up a muscles, which in turn is surrounded by a thick layer of connective tissue known as the epimysium. The striated appearance of skeletal muscle fibers of two contractile proteins, actin and filament, and myosin, thick filament. The functions of unit of contraction in skeletal muscles. Muscles fibers is sarcomere, which turns from gel line to gel line. A sarcomere is broken down into a number of sections. The functional unit of contraction in a skeletal muscles fibers is the sarcomere, which runs from gel line to gel line. A sarcomere is broken down into a number of sections. Gel line to M line. Gel line, where the action of filaments are uncored. M line, where the myosin filaments are uncored. I bond contains only actin filaments. A bond, the light of myosin filament may contain overlapping action filament. Z zone contains only myosin filaments. Gel line, where the actin filaments are uncored. M line, where the myosin filaments are uncored. I bond contains only actin filaments. A bond, the length of a myosin filament may contain overlapping action filaments. Z H zone contains only myosin filaments. Myosin. Myosin is a superfamily of motor proteins. Myosin is a superfamily of motor proteins that, together with actin proteins, from the basic for the contraction of muscles fiber. A myosin myofilament contains of two distant regions, a long rod shaped tails called myosin rod and two intertwined myosin head. The globular head appears to interval along the myofilament, projecting from slides of the filament. The myosin's head and attached to the neighboring actin filaments where actin and myosin filaments overlaps. Myosin is an ATPase that moves long actin filaments by connecting the hydrolysis of ATP to conformational changes. All myosins are composed of one or two heavy chains and several light chains. Myosin is a ATPase that moves along actin filament by connecting the hydrolysis of ATP to conformational changes. All myosins are composed of one or two heavy chains and several light chains. Actin is a group of globular proteins that are the most abundant proteins in most eukaryotic cells and help in providing shape, structure, and mobility to the body. An actin myofilament is made of chain actin molecule, tropomyosin, and troponin complex. Troponin is compressed three subunits: troponin 1, T, and C. Tropomycins from two helical strands which are warped round actin molecules G actins longitudinally in thin twisted stranded from. Each G actin is attached with a N ATP molecules. The whole assembly of action molecule is known as F action fibrous actin. Tropomyosin switches on off muscles contraction mechanism. Tropomyosin switches on or off the muscles contraction mechanism. Troponin complex is globular protein in which binds to tropomyosin and cal- calcium ions. Troponin complex is a globular protein which binds to tropomyosin and calcium ions. Sliding filament theory of muscles contraction. The mechanism of muscles contraction is explained by sliding filament model. This theory was proposed by H. E. Huxley and J. Hansons and A. F. Huxley and Nedegrick in 1954. This arrangement of actin and myosin myofilament within a sarcomere is crucial in the mechanism of muscle contraction. It is purposed that muscles contract by the actin and myosin filaments sliding past each others. A sarcomere is the unit of muscles contraction. Its length contract resulting in whole muscles contraction. During contraction, length a band, dark band remains some wa- various various length of I band, light band, and Z zone get shorter. The sliding filament model describes the mechanism of skeletal muscle contractions. Muscle fibers are formed from two contractile proteins, actin and myosins. Myosin filaments have mainly heads which can bind to sets on the actin filament. Actin filaments are associated with two others regularity proteins, trop- tropons and tropomyosin. Tropomyosin is a long protein that runs along the actin filament and blocks the myosin head binding sites. Troponin is a small protein that binds our tropomyosin to the actin. It is made up of three parts. Troponin binds to the active actin filament. Troponin T binds to tropomyosin. troponin C can bind calcium ion. Troponin I bind to the act, actin filaments. Troponin T bind to tropomyosin. Troponin C can bind calcium ion. The unique structure of troponins in the basics excitation, contraction, coupling. When the depolarization occurs at neuromuscular junctions, this is conducted down the T tubulus, causing a hug influx of calcium ion into the sarcoplasm from the sarcoplasmic reticulum. This calcium binds to troponin C, causing a change in conformation that moves tropomycins away from the myosin head binding sets of the action filaments. This allows the myosin head to bind to the active action, forming a cross link. The power stroke then occurs the myosin heads pivots in a rowing um, motions moving the actions action actin past the myosin towards the M line. ATP the binds to the myosin head, causing it to uncouple from the actin and allowing the purpose to repeat. In C's contraction, the length of the filaments does not change. However, the length of the sarcomere decreases due to the actin filaments sliding over the myosin. The H zone and I band shorten whilst the A band stays the same length. This brings the Z lines closer together and causes overall length of the sarcomere to decreases. Release of calcium ions. Nerve impulse causing depolarization and actin potential in the sarcolemma trigger the release of calcium ions from sarcoplasmic reticulum. The calcium ion then binds with the troponin complex in the action myofilament, causing displacement of troponin complex and tropomyosin from its blocking site, exposing myosin binding site. As soon as the myosin's binding site is exposed, myosin head cross bridge with actin filament. Now the actin myofilament is said to be in on position. Active cross bridge formation. When the myosin head attached to like hooks to the neighboring actin filament, active cross bridge is formed. The cross bridge between actin and myosin filament act as the enzyme myosin ATPase. The enzyme myosin ATPase hydrolyzes ATP stored into ADP and inorganic phosphate and release energy. This released energy is used for movement of myosin head toward actin filaments. The active cross bridge formation. When the myosin head attached to like hooks to the neighboring actin filaments, active cross bridge is formed. The cross bridge between actin and myosin filament act as an enzyme myosin ATPase. The enzyme myosin ATPase hydrolyzes ATP stored into ADP and inorganic phosphate and release energy. This released energy is used for movement of myosin head towards active actin filaments. Releasing calcium ions and active cross bridge formation. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today my topic on is on muscles. Thank you.